2024 has seen some great things for the Pico ecosystem I work in. It's allowed me to produce some really great fun projects too. Let's take a look back at 2024 before I gaze a little bit into what 2025 might bring, at least for my projects. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is a 3-minute summary of my full review video. If you have time, and it's that season of the year where generally we do have time, why not watch the full video? The link's in the description. The big event of 2024 was the Pico 2 and RP2350's launch. I discussed how this was coming on my live stream back in June, and then covered the announcement. Since launch, I've given some guides on writing projects for the Pico 2, and I've looked at its performance against the Pico 1 and lots more too. Check them out in my video list. For my own projects, most of the year I seem to have been working on this weather station. It's a much bigger project than I expected. In September I shared the bones of the project, but the core of the project goes back to January when I started looking at temperature sensors. The other part of the project is to put the Pico W to sleep. I need that for power management. It's also really important for me to be able to support the community of makers and tinkerers where they are on their journey. So I've targeted some early phase guides too, as well as more complex stuff, starting with flashing an LED. How you code and build your projects is important, so I've talked through the new VS Code extension too. I have a Udemy course that really sets people up to work with the Pico in C and C++. It's worth taking a look if you're just starting out on this journey. I also introduced concepts like PWM that we use all the time in our embedded systems, from anything from dimming an LED to driving servo motors. IoT, or the Internet of Things, is really important to me. I've shared some fabulous IoT projects. I built out a Udemy course on how to use web services from the Pico. I then had some fun calling a weather web service to get the forecast, and also built out a Telegram bot so that Pico could provide data back to us remotely wherever we are. Of course, there's also my lightsaver Pico W update. This is just a wall light, but it is great fun. I use MQTT as a protocol for these. True IoT. It's based on techniques I share in my Pico W IoT course over on Udemy. So what next? What does 2025 have in store for us? Well, the weather station project is going to enter its second year. I'll continue to provide some content for every level of the journey that I can. There'll also be some IoT projects too. I've had great fun producing the videos and working on the projects for this channel. I hope you've enjoyed them too. If you like this video, then why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video or the payment link in the description. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to the open source conference in San Francisco next year, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please do hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. I wish you all a happy new year. Bye bye for now.